Hi everyone! Welcome to a special holiday edition of Kitchen Rituals. If you're new here, I'm Jean. I'm the social media person at Food Period, and we make nutritionist-backed period improvement products. If you'd like to learn more about us, please check out all of our links down below in the description box. Today I'll be showing you how you can incorporate our Phase 2 moon seeds into a very popular seasonal favorite, dark chocolate peppermint bark. So let's get started. Here are our ingredients for this recipe. You'll need 1 scoop or 2 tablespoons of ground Phase 2 moon seeds. This is our blend of pumpkin and flax. A 1/4 cup of dark chocolate chips, at least 70% dark chocolate, 5 mini peppermint candy canes, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of butter or coconut oil, and lastly, a bit of chopped fresh mint. I recommend using fresh mint because it grows like a weed. Just look at how much I have here. On to the process. So first, line a baking sheet or a plate with parchment paper. Next, crush your candy canes. Any peppermint flavored candy is fine. These are just really cheap from the dollar store, and while very wasteful, the individual wrappers do make it easier to see how much you want to use. In a separate bowl, combine your dark chocolate chips, butter or coconut oil, and honey. Microwave this in 30-second intervals until it's melted and smooth, and make sure to stir after each interval. After, add 3 of the crushed candy canes and the ground moon seeds to this chocolate mixture. Mix until it's incorporated. It'll be really thick, but it's still kind of spreadable. So with a spatula, spread that mixture evenly onto your parchment-lined surface. Next, sprinkle the mint leaves and the remaining 2 crushed candy canes over the mixture, and use your fingertips to press lightly to adhere. Then take this to the freezer and let it sit until it hardens, which will take at least 5 minutes. When it's all set, you can break or chop it into pieces, and have some fun arranging them and garnishing on your favorite plate. I'm including some more mint leaves and a few candy canes to decorate. Enjoy your seedy dark chocolate peppermint bark with some fresh mint and crunchy candy canes. I just finished making it, and I'm gonna take a bite now because it looks really good. Okay. It's really minty and just a touch sweet from the honey, and I'm gonna devour that later. To end this video, thanks for watching. Let me know if you try the recipe down below in the comments. And if you do try it out, please post a photo and tag us on Instagram at food.period with the hashtag MyKitchenSink. Come back next month on the first Friday of January for a new video. If you'd like, leave a comment and let us know what else you'd like to see us make. Happy holidays from all of us here at Food Period, and we hope you have a safe, restful, and relaxing holiday. Bye!